Welcome to NoSkinnyCooks. Today we're making one of my family's favorite dishes. This is pork carnitas. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Let's take a look at the ingredients. You'll need a 3 to 4 pound pork shoulder, a medium to large onion, an orange and a lime, which you're going to juice, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper to taste, 2 bay leaves, and some chicken broth. Cut the pork into 1-inch pieces, removing any excess fat. Peel and quarter your onion. Now transfer your pork and the onion into a Dutch oven. Now set it aside while we work on the braising liquid. Cut your lime and orange in half and juice them. You're going to discard the lime peel, but retain the orange because that goes in the pot. Add about half a cup of the chicken broth to the braising liquid just to increase the volume. Now add your oregano, add your cumin, and add the salt and pepper to the braising liquid, then whisk it all together. Grab your Dutch oven and add the braising liquid to the pot. Make sure you add your bay leaves. And then we're going to top this with additional broth until the pork is just covered with liquid. Now move everything onto the stove where we're going to bring it to a rolling boil. Cover the pot and move it to your 300-degree oven. This will come out of the oven in about 2.5 hours. This is going to be hot, so watch out for steam. You're going to remove the onions and the oranges from the mix and throw it away. And then you're going to also take out all of the pork and move it into a separate bowl. Now we need to reduce the braising liquid, so you're going to move it over to a burner, turn it on a high heat, and let it come to a rolling boil. Be patient. This is going to take a while, but trust me, it'll be worth it. Reducing the braising liquid serves the purpose of concentrating the flavors. What it does is it takes those really sweet citrus flavors and the boldness of the cumin and the oregano, and it really concentrates it down, because we're going to be mixing this with the pork in a little bit. Just how reduced you have the liquid is really a personal choice. If you want it really concentrated, let it get down to even thicker than what you see here. This is the way my family likes it. It's about the consistency of brown gravy. When you're satisfied with the thickness of the braising liquid, take it off the heat. Now we're going to take that reduced liquid and we're going to add it to the braised pork. Next, take a couple of forks and begin shredding the pork. Depending on how you like it, you can just shred it into a couple or 3 pieces, or you can shred it really finely. Just depends on your preference. Personally, I like it shredded a little fine. And that's it. Your pork is done. It's time to eat. The carnitas can be used right away, or you can give them some crispy edges by putting them in a lined baking sheet and placing it under a broiler for a few minutes. That's the way I like them. Carnitas can be served on corn or flour tortillas with a variety of toppings. Pickled red onion is pretty common, as is avocado, rice, or almost anything you'd put on a taco. Something that goes with this dish really well is my recipe for green rice, which you'll find in a related video. And for a twist, since this is basically pulled pork, mix some leftovers with a bit of barbecue sauce and make a nice sandwich. I hope you've enjoyed this video and get a chance to make it. It's really not a difficult recipe, it's just a bit of waiting while things cook. And as always, please like and subscribe to my channel. Your subscriptions and feedback mean a lot to me, so leave a comment if you try this and let me know how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.